These are the Super Cubes 1-cup silicone freezer trays, and this set comes with 2 trays in a charcoal color, each one with its own lid. Each compartment is a true 1-cup portion, which makes meal prepping and storing leftovers really easy. I like using these for broth, soups, sauces, cooked rice, or even pasta. You just fill them, put the lid on, and place them in the freezer. The silicone material is flexible, so once everything is frozen, the food pops out cleanly without cracking or breaking apart. The trays feel sturdy and hold their shape, even when they're full. The lids help prevent spills and keep odors out, which is great if your freezer is packed. They stack neatly, saving space, and the 1-cup size makes it simple to reheat exactly what you need without waste. You can move the frozen portions straight to the fridge, microwave, or a pot when you're ready to use them. If you do meal prep or like keeping homemade food ready to go, these Super Cubes freezer trays are a practical and organized way to store single-portion meals and ingredients.